Hello again. Today I want to show you how to log in into your Canva account. At the first, you need to open your web browser. It doesn't matter which browser you use. It can be Google Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or even Internet Explorer. You need to search Canva in the search bar. Canva. And then click on the first website in the search result. And then click on sign up, then continue with email. You need to type your email here. And then don't forget to enter the email address that Nava International provided. And after that, Canva will send a verification code to your email. Open your email, find the code, and enter it here. Okay, as soon as you enter your email here, sometimes it asks you some questions. You can skip those questions, and this will be the Canva homepage. Once Canva opens, check your notifications, which is here. You should receive an invitation. You should receive an invitation from Nova International here, and you need to accept that. After you accept it, you will have access to the Canva Pro version.